In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and create an ID card on Canva using your PC. Creating a professional looking ID card has never been easier, and with Canva the process is intuitive and straightforward. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open Canva on your PC. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up. It's quick, and once you're in, you'll be ready to unleash your creativity. In the search bar, type ID card. This will bring up a huge selection of professionally designed ID card templates. Take a moment to scroll through these options. With Canva, the variety ensures that you'll find something to match your specific style or needs, whether you're looking for something sleek, colourful, modern, or minimalist. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to get started. This will lead you to a new page where you can customize the template to your heart's content. Customizing is the fun part. Click on the Customize this template button and you'll be taken to the design interface where you can make it your own. Now let's personalize it to suit your needs. You can click on any part of the template to edit text fields, change fonts, or adjust sizes. Simply click on the text you want to change and a text editor will appear. You may want to enter details like name, title, and contact information. Ensure the text is legible and appropriately sized. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, so take your time to find one that matches the look you're going for. Next, it's time to add an image to your ID card. This is essential to personalize your design and make it functional. Click on the image placeholder and you can upload your own image from your computer, or choose one from Canva's extensive library. Drag your image to the desired location and scale it to fit perfectly within the space provided. Remember, your photo should clearly show your face, as it's the main visual identifier on your ID card. After you've customized the text and images, take a moment to review your design. Check for any typos or layout issues. Make sure the overall look aligns with your intentions, whether it's for professional use, school, or an event. The goal is to have a polished, professional ID card that serves its purpose effectively. Finally, once you're happy with the design, download your ID card. Click on the download button in the top right corner, choose your desired file format and save it to your computer. It's that simple. You now have a customized professional ID card that you can print or use digitally. Thank you for following along and I hope you found this guide helpful. With Canva, creating an ID card is a simple, creative and rewarding experience. Happy designing!